Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks.
So Bharti, introduce yourself.
I have done my graduation in BTech. When I talk about my hobby, I like cooking and spending time with my kid. I have taken geography as my optional subject.
Okay, you are married and you have a kid also.
Yes, ma'am.
So with these two things, how you are able to prepare?
Ma'am, I am able to prepare because of my in-laws support. My mother-in-law is very supportive. She is handling all the things and then giving me time to study all the time.
How you balance time between your kid and your preparation, because kids also need lots of time.
Yes, ma'am, definitely. I find time, ma'am, like 2 hours in a day, 1 hour after coming from the school, I take to complete his school work, daily class work, and after that in the night, I make him revise now learning 3-letter words and 2-letter words. I spend time with him.
Okay, so Bharti, you have worked in JBM.
Yes, ma'am.
Will you tell us something about your work experience?
Ma'am, I have worked there for 2 years, and actually I have my mechanical background. I went there in mechanical engineering only, but when I got placement there, they put me in the corporate office. That was only a clerical work. Like it was doing, they asked me to enter the data, they are coming from the plant side. So I left job after that.
What is this JBM?
Ma'am, Jai Bharat Maruti.
Okay.
It is a mechanical company making parts for motor. Maruti, it is a vendor of Maruti.
Okay, okay.
हाँ
okay.
जी.
You are from Rohtak.
Yes, ma'am.
So Bharti, can you please tell, suppose you are administrator of Rohtak, what problems you will feel ki you have to work upon?
Ma'am,
What two problems? Two problems.
Yes, one problem I've recently faced is like this portal is, people are facing problem relating to the documents related problem. Like I have been facing it recently also, family ID problems and their caste certificates, they are getting intermingled, their address is changed, their spellings are changed, and when they are called for interview, their documents are rejected, and I think they are going under mental trauma.
Is this problem specific to Rohtak?
Ma'am, Rohtak, I have faced there, Rohtak,
Okay.
there, I have faced this, yesterday only I have faced this.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
One more issue that you will entertain in Rohtak.
Ma'am, water related issue is going to, recent issue is water related issue. It is like 2 days we were not supplied water properly, and we were facing problem in our houses.
Okay, I'll give you a situation because you have done mechanical engineering. Suppose there are two, mountains, and we have to put electric poles and wires.
Yes, ma'am.
How, so you are standing on a cliff and you have to send the wire on another cliff. How you will do it?
May I take a minute, ma'am?
Sure.
Ma'am, I'm not the alone one. I can use I can take help of like any lift and something.
No, there is no lift. There are two mountain cliffs and you have to put electric poles and then you have to wire between the poles. There is no lift. You think about it. Any rough, vague guesses?
Ma'am, maybe I can use something like I can use maybe some theory, like I can throw it and it directly go there. Like something pin is there and it just go there and attach there and clip. I'm so sorry.
Okay. What is your stand on Agniveer scheme?
Agniveer scheme is, ma'am, it is both the positive and negative, but as for the, as far as positive is concerned, ma'am,
You please don't get nervous because we all are talking with you. We are because
not punish you. Please don't get nervous. Take your time. Relax. If you don't want to answer, move forward. If this question is stressing you so much, don't wait. Man, I cannot pick up. Move on.
Sir, actually I know the answer, but
okay, you can recollect them.
Is basically a scheme for recruiting soldiers for 4 years actually. The thing is that we can have the government is reducing the permanent soldiers and then taking contractual 4-year contract that would reduce their expenditure like salary and pension, that would reduce that second. They would that would be a benefit for the government. As far as negative is concerned, ma'am, children who are getting these jobs, they are concerned about whether only 25% is recruited. They are concerned about after when will be out, if they are not selected, what would be the future. That is the negative thing.
Last question from my side. What should be Indian stand in the conflict of nations like Israel-Palestine issue we have,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
we have Russia-Ukraine crisis. So, what should be Indian stand on these?
Ma'am, India
conflicts?
always follow nation first policy in case of USA and Russia war also, and in case of Iran and Palestine, Israel and Palestine issue, India has condemned the first of all India has condemned Hamas attack on Israel, and second thing is India is supporting two-state solution for Israel and Palestine.
Okay, Bharti, do you know about the Ladakh protest bit?
Yes, ma'am. And they are asking for statehood. They are demanding statehood. Now that is a UT.
And what else? They are on hunger strike. People are on hunger strike.
I'm not aware, sorry.
If you have to change one thing in the constitution, what would it be?
Sorry.
How many times the constitution has been amended till now?
Ma'am, 105th Amendment. It's 105th Amendment.
So you had NCC with C certificate. Okay. What extra did you learn by having NCC?
Sorry, ma'am.
What extra have you learned?
Ma'am, NCC I opted in my high school time. I was in a boarding school, so we were provided with the facility whether to join NCC at a high school only. Otherwise, we are provided C certificate at college level. So I joined it to gain some benefits like leadership qualities we learned there. Adaptability was the main thing I learned there, and discipline was the thing.
Okay. What is the difference between a day scholar and the student who is in residential school?
Day scholars, they regularly come and go to their home. They take all the facilities at home. We are staying away from our parents, and we are staying there for whole months, and like holidays we are going back to our home.
Any benefit of the
Much more benefits, ma'am. Like we are self-dependent. We are able to handle, the boarding school students are able to handle every situation. They don't need parents need every time. Like we are self-capable. We can do whatever. If any problem arises, we are capable to solve.
Thank you. Sir.
Thank you. Very nice. Are you comfortable?
Yes.
Fair enough. So you have to dance little bit in every day in the morning. Justified.
Dance. So we have to dance. It depends upon our mood. Like if we are very happy, we have to dance every day. It's depend on how we enjoy the day. We start early in the morning. We wake up. It's like we are dancing. We are doing some hand gesture to wake up our kid. Also, we are enjoying with him. During bath time, also we are enjoying with him. We are dancing. It's like we enjoy how we are taking the day and how we are enjoying the day.
And how you are going to start your day.
How we are going to start our day.
So is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Dancing every day in the morning is fine?
No issue, sir. Fine.
Okay. So how do you help your children these days?
This is I help him learning, sir. Now he is going through a transition phase. Now he is to learn basics like 2-letter words, 3-letter words, and I am making him learn everything.
Today, did you have anything?
Today, sir, he was sleeping when I came here.
Okay. Right. What does your father?
So he is a farmer.
Are. So, how is he contributing
So he has contributed a
your
lot
growth?
in my.
In your growth.
So he has contributed when I was at home, and he is still contributing me by motivating me, and if I need any suggestion, directions he is giving me. When I was at home, he has made me study in a school where he was not even capable of. He has paid everything, like taking loan and making me study. He has taken loan to get me into a engineering institute. He has helped me, he has made me what I am today.
Okay. So, you have done BTech. Did you ever try for PSU? Any of PSU GATE?
No sir, never.
No. IPS.
No sir.
So, then how will you answer? You did BTech, and then change your path.
Sir, I did BTech because my background was science stream. In 12th class, I took science stream. I joined BTech. There was lack of, sir, one more thing. I'll join. After 12th class also, I talked about joining civil services. I was preferring to go for arts stream, but that time I had no guidance, and I was told to join BTech. And I go through that, and after that I joined services for 2 years also. There I realized, and after that I took my in-laws help, and my father also convinced him ki if you are not financially, I mean there is problem, so she can leave the job and prepare further.
Okay. So, have you ever tried for GATE or no? Not at all.
Yes sir?
GATE exam, did you try
No
for?
sir, I have not tried sir. Actually in 8th semester I got campus placement sir.
How did you find the jobs in PSU or PSUs? Okay, fair enough. Still you are working in JBM?
No sir, I have left it way back in 2016.
You have written here working in JBM, that's why I'm asking. Okay. So 2 years you have worked for the company.
Yes sir.
How is that company?
It is very good company, sir. It has growth much better than what it was. It was earlier just one plant. Now it is grown all over India.
How many plants do they have?
Maybe 58 around. I was there. It was around 52 and something. 4 plants they have. I think so. They have expanded.
Okay.
Not sure.
So what is futuristic aspect of the JBM?
So futuristic aspect is like JBM. Now they have entered bus project also. Now bus projects or JBM bus are running in Delhi. They have replaced many of the buses, Mercedes-Benz buses now in Delhi.
Mercedes-Benz, for that what JBM has done?
So bus is like a plant. It is not a vendor. It's their own company.
Okay.
Or otherwise, JBM Bharuti, Jai Bharat Maruti is a vendor of Maruti. There they are independent. They are not vendor. Their own company. A different plant.
Maybe supplier to the Maruti brand.
Yes, sir. In all the plants, they are supplied to Maruti. In all, sir, it may be Maruti, it may be other company also. But
So it's an auto ancillary company. Yes.
Hanji, sir. Now
So-
they have their independent plant. That is
So-
not ancillary.
Recently, somewhere I have read that Tesla is about to come India. Have
Yes.
you heard the name
Yes,
Tesla?
sir.
You are mechanical engineer, right?
Yes, sir.
So, if the Tesla comes in India, JBM will be playing any role in that?
So maybe JBM would get a chance to become their vendor also because they are perfect. They are perfect in that field. They are providing.
Is there any policy made by government in this
sir,
section?
yes.
Not aware or no
Don't know,
policy?
sir. Don't know, sir.
Don't know. So if I say government has good plans, I'll say, or you say like they have very good policies regarding manufacturing areas.
Yes, sir.
So JBM, it seems so, but I don't know. Just now I came,
Yes.
right? So in this situation, so JBM will be growing further.
Yes, sir. Of course, sir.
Okay. So the time you are working JBM, you left the job just because they gave you clerical job.
Yes, sir.
You are saying you studying clerical.
It is one of the reasons, sir.
Okay, one of them. So if they would have given you chance to work in the field,
Yes, sir.
mechanical engineering field. So in this situation, what would have been your
So my preference there would have also been the same. If I would have been there also, so then I would have priority for civil services only. So being there also, I was studying books by myself only. I was not having, but I have all the books for UPSC. So I was just reading after coming from the office. So that was my plan. If my parents are convinced.
Have you
my
ever
goal-
met? Have you ever met the chair, managing committees? Honor the company ever?
No, sir. Chairman of the company, some issues, or they have called her for some issues. then-
Which issue?
Sir, when not my issue specific, but my department is going there, then we have faced them.
Okay,
ਹਾਂਜੀ,
fair. NCC certificate. you have.
Yes, sir.
What's your grade?
B, sir.
B.
ਹਾਂਜੀ.
B grade in NCC. Were you cadet captain that time? NCC certificate.
No, sir, not captain.
So what do you think? What is the reason you were not cadet captain in NCC?
Maybe, sir, that girl that was chosen may have some better qualities. Like maybe she has some more command on the students. That's why she was selected.
So some weaknesses. Do you find some weaknesses in you?
At that time, sir, might be, but now I have improved upon myself. I think
Seems so.
yes.
Seems so. Yes. Okay. So diverse work environment in civil services. What does it mean?
Divorce.
Diverse work environment in civil services. What does it mean?
Sir, it's like when we are posted, we are in civil services, we are provided, we are shifted to different departments. We are posted in now, if we are in one department, we are posted to another department, and they are diverse fields, like I was talking about this.
Right. You want to make your parents proud after getting
Yes, sir.
selection.
Yes.
What about society?
So society is after parents. Parents are proud, society would automatically feel that.
Right. So what specific contribution? What are your specific contributions for the society till now?
Sir, I think so, I have done one contribution when I was studying in hostel. I was in hostel. So my girls, my house girls, even my sisters and cousins, they were not much allowed to go for outer studies. I have seen that. But after they have seen me going out and doing good, they have girls are getting chance. Their parents are spending money on them and then sending them out to complete their studies. And sir, in my families, after this, there are 2 girls. They have joined services now. I mean, not civil services, but they are in
Means-
Indian.
Means you
Haryana.
became role model for them.
So yes, somewhere I have acted in my family,
That's
and they
so
simply say to me also.
That's nice. Which subject in science do you like the most?
So
Out of 3 streams, physics, chemistry, and biology, which
it was
subject you like the
chemistry,
most?
sir.
Chemistry. Okay. Which chemical? Okay. Name some 3 chemicals that are used in batteries.
But lithium, chemical.
Chemicals used in batteries. 3 chemicals.
No, sir. I know
Lithium,
that.
1.
Lithium ion battery.
So simple. We have inverters also. Simple, very simple. Just recall. You are
Not
engineer.
able to recall. Sorry, sir.
Okay. Right. Pancreas.
Yes, sir.
Huh? So we say is 2 kind of like gland. Dual role. Is it so or it is correct or wrong? No idea.
No idea, sir.
So can you tell any 2 functions of pancreas?
Sir, one is juice they are sending to a digestive system, which one is that one that helps in digestion. Rest I do, second I don't.
Okay. Okay. So insulin, if it is
Yes.
increasing too much in our blood, the concentration of insulin goes high.
Yes, sir.
How it affect the metabolism of body?
So it is, I think so, hypoglycemia if insulin is much in body, and our body is not able to function properly, sir.
Not function properly means what? It
Maybe
will not function properly if we are not
respiration
sleeping.
problem, tired.
If we are not sleeping, then also it will not function properly. If heart is not working, then also it will not function properly. Please specific an answer.
No, sorry, sir.
Just try.
Sorry.
You can, I'm sure you can answer.
So, Tiredness, sir.
Okay, no problem. What is the lifespan of RBC?
Sir, it. May I take a second? Sir?
Lifespan of RBC.
So 10 to 12 days.
Okay. Have you read somewhere? Are you recalling it? Or like this, are you
Sir,
saying?
I'll read about it, sir, but I have read it, but I'm not able to
That's
recall
good that you're saying you will read about it.
Yes, sir.
That's good. Okay, so you are using specs, huh?
Yes, sir.
Spectacles. Which lens do you use?
Sir, convex. Sir.
Huh?
Concave lens.
Concave. Why?
So because I have myopia.
Myopic.
Haan ji, sir.
You are myopic. Huh? So that's why you're using concave. And if you are hypermetropic, then
See, convex lens, sir.
is there anything press bio? Yeah.
Yes, sir. It is like it is in older age, sir, where we are not able to see even near object and far object here. So we have bifocal lens. We use bifocal lens.
Okay. What irritates you? That irritates you a lot.
Loud sound, sir. Not for a second, but if it is for like 20 or 30 seconds, that it becomes very.
Then what do you do?
Nothing, sir. If it is in my hand, I go from there. If it is not my hand, then I have to bear it.
You have to
Like
clear.
it-
So, do you bring some change in your attitude that time?
Sir,
No?
yes, sir.
What?
Sir, it's like angry. I become angry at that time. Somebody is talking. It's like irritating nature.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you, sir. So, what is your interview language actually?
Sir,
In which language your interview is? Hindi or
Sir,
English?
I have taken English language.
English language for interview.
हाँ जी, sir.
Okay. ठीक है. So, what is drone technology? Do you
Sir.
think and answer? Okay. It's
Drone technology, it it's a small technology is same, sir, like aeroplane technology, but it is in the small size. We are using it for a purpose like monitoring and like gaming purposes also, agriculture also. We are using it everywhere. And it is used in negative sense also, like in Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir also there was negative use of it, like attack was used on drone technology also.
And
And so monitoring the borders,
first decide you are telling good part or bad part.
good parts also.
Okay. ठीक है. What is difference between drone and UAV?
So it is the same thing. Unmanned aerial vehicle, drone technology is drone is also an unmanned aerial vehicle.
Drone is all drones are UAV, but can you say all the UAVs are the drone?
No, sir, no difference.
You don't know?
Don't know, sir.
Okay. How do you see the future of EV in India or in the world in that transition?
It's a bright future, sir. Provided if we have been provided with a better technology, if some issues are sorted out, then there can be a better, good future of EVs in India.
Like
Sir, we are facing some issues. If recently, due to heat waves also, we are facing issues like electronic vehicles. If they are even standing also, they are getting fired. And earlier also, there is some lack of loopholes in technology, sir. Provided we are upgraded with the technology, we can have a bright future in EVs, because it is helpful in many ways. Like one of the India's most important target, Paris Agreement, it is aligned with that also. We'll able
means
to achieve
climate
that.
change it will
And
come.
climate change, sir.
Okay,
And sir,
some economic benefits also.
economics, sir, I see some.
In our import basket, what is the biggest component?
In
In our import basket, what is the biggest component of?
import baskets, sir, petroleum and crude.
Will it help there?
Yes, sir, yes. That is
That
aligned with the target
trade
also. It would
deficit.
reduce fossil fuel use, sir.
Okay. So think there are you know the things. Okay. So you have just think. What is your view on driverless car? Do you think they should be allowed?
Sir,
Do you know the
ca-
concept driverless car.
Yes, sir, I have heard it,
Okay.
but I have not seen it.
Nobody seen it.
Yes,
It's not
sir.
available yet. Okay.
Sir, there are much ethical concerns associated with it. Provided if they are sold, there is no negative impact on the society, then we can go for it.
Okay. Now switch to some polity. Are you interested in politics?
Yeah.
Okay.
Little.
Do you know do you know about CAA?
Constitutional Amendment Act. Yes, Citizenship Amendment Act.
I don't know. Newspaper says CA. I don't know what it is.
Sir, if it is related to some related to Assam and citizenship
What
amendment.
newspaper mentions about CAA? Is it Constitutional Amendment Act? Or
Citizenship Amendment Act, sir.
It's the same thing I'm asking. Okay. Otherwise, I would have what it is,
Yes, sir.
what it does.
So recently, it is about providing citizenship to the migrants of three nations who migrated to India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, and to the six religious minority also, sir, like Jews, Christians, Muslims. Sorry, sir.
Why
Technical
there were protests about CAA last year, and
Yes, sir.
this year they are planning. I don't know they are planning or not. Why the people oppose, especially the liberal front, liberal group in media in the society? They oppose the CAA as a discriminatory.
Sir, I have read about it, but I'm not able to recall all the incident. I will
Okay.
read about it, sir.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, you said that one of your hobbies is spending time with the kids.
Yes, sir. With my kids, sir.
With your kids, right? Do you have any other choice other than this?
Sir, I have no time. Otherwise, choice is.
No, not to spend time with your kids. Is there any choice like that?
No, sir.
So can you call it hobby? Like I'm a doctor, performing surgeries is my hobby. Is it a hobby or profession?
No, sir.
I don't know. Madam will tell better actually. Okay. So, do you know who all got the Bharat Ratna in 2024?
Yes, sir. I remember one name, but there are 5 members, but I remember one name, Lal Krishna Advani ji, and sir, 4 I don't remember, but I have read about them. I actually don't remember them.
So recent.
Bharat Ratna Puraskar, yes, sir.
Somebody got from that farmer's background. Okay, you know PV Narasimha Rao got that Bharat Ratna.
No, sir. PV Narasimha Rao did not do.
No? Let me check. It is saying that Bharat Ratna got by Karpuri Thakur, Lal Krishna Advani, PV Narasimha Rao, Chaudhary Charan Singh. Oh, sorry. So why did you say? You said I don't know.
Yes, sir.
So you are contradicting me that I might be wrong. Was that your intention?
No, not at all, sir.
Okay. So do you know about PV Narasimha Rao? Narasimha Rao.
Yes, sir. I
Why was he given that Bharat Ratna?
not remembered. I don't know about his contributions for which he is given Bharat Ratna Puraskar, sir.
What was the significant event in 1991?
So, 73rd and 74th Amendment Act. 1990.
Economic term, 1990s, 1991.
No, economic policy, sir.
Who brought the economic policies?
PV Narasimha.
Who was the Prime Minister?
Prime Minister Finance Minister was Manmohan Singh. Prime Minister was PV Narasimha Rao.
Can we say that because of this contribution he got the Bharat Ratna? Okay. So do you think that economic reform of 1991 brought any change to Indian economy?
Yes, sir.
Name few, at least 3.
Sir, after that our exports have increased.
Sorry?
Exports have
Exports have increased,
Hanji,
okay.
sir. And earlier our economy was a closed economy, like we were not allowed to share our exports and imports. Now we are an open economy. We are at a global level now, and we have aligned our policy also according to.
Don't stress. If you know, just answer, otherwise leave it. Okay, one more question, last question. If 1991 reform was such a good idea, why we didn't do it in 1950s, immediate after independence?
That was not the right time, sir. After independence, we were not. Our policy at that time adopted was कि first we should be self-reliant. After that, we would open our economy.
We still got the same policy, Atmanirbhar Bharat.
So, but it is different from that time, sir. We were not allowed to export, even import. We were self-dependent. Like first, we have to improve our policy. After that, after 1980s, we have seen some changes. And
Okay, sorry, this will be the last question. Who is your role model?
my role model is my father, sir.
Your father. What quality do you think that your father got that makes him role model for you?
He is a quality of handle everything, every problem without affecting our whole family. He handled every situation in such a calm way that he has not even let us know what is going problem in the family.
Would you like to emulate him in the services?
Yes, sir, definitely.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
नहीं हाँ 2 मिनट
Thank you.
2 मिनट्स वेट कीजिए आपको बुलाते हैं एक बार, ठीक है